Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your KCMO Quick Tax Account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your KCMO Quick Tax Account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in quicktax.gentax.net and make a search. You will end up on the login page of KCMO Quick Tax Account. Enter your username and password associated with your KCMO Quick Tax account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your KCMO Quick Tax account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.